The noun yoake is used for early morning scenes, starting times for fishing or hiking, and talking about the start of a new era. 夜明け、朝早くの写真、猟や登山の出発、新しい時代のスタートの話に使います。The noun yoake literally means the moment when night ends and morning begins. Figuratively, it also means the first stage when something new starts or emerges. 夜の終わりで朝が始まる瞬間のことです。比喩では新しい時代や計画が動き出す最初の段階も指します。The first kanji means night. It shows darkness and the time when the sun is gone. You see it in words like yoru and yonaka. Think of quiet and sleep. The second kanji means bright or to open. It can describe light or the start of something. You see it in words like akarui and akeru. It feels like light spreading. Take a walk at dawn. 夜明けに散歩します。夜明けに散歩します。The dawn sky is beautiful. 夜明けの空は美しいです。夜明けの空は美しいです。We talked until dawn. 私たちは夜明けまで話しました。私たちは夜明けまで話しました。Birds sing at dawn. 鳥が夜明けに鳴きます。鳥が夜明けに鳴きます。The most common synonyms of the word are akegata and akebono. Akegata overlaps with yoake for the early morning time, often just before the sun shows. Akebono is more poetic and literary, used like the dawn in formal writing. The most common antonyms of the word are yugure and higure. These point to evening when light fades, the opposite of yoake when light returns.